Hello, welcome to my channel. Believe it or not, this delicious green bean was stir fried with picky heart. It's a little bit bizarre, but I just walking around the market and I saw we have 3 baby heart. I mean, it's about a human size maybe. And it seems kind of wilder. Look at that, it's so cool. It's still cold. Of course, it's not beeping, right? So you can hold it in your hand. Look at that, it's so cool. Smell good. It's fresh. Actually, I got all 3. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. I may need to take a picture of that. Why not? Let me take a picture real fast.
2,000 years later.
So first, I want to boiling some water to clean the heart. So when I wait the water start to boiling, I will add some season to the water. Maybe a little bit sauce and some ginger. Adding some ginger will help to remove all the gamey sting come from the heart. Because I don't want to get too many fat, so I go to trimming some fat from the heart before I clean that. I am making all the noise in the kitchen and my roommate said, "What the heck going on? Is this kids were killing something in the kitchen?" So they want to stop by and say hi. That's so cool.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
delicious.
I love it.
That's delicious if you're not overcook it.
See, like I won't eat all the other stuff, but I'll try that.
Okay, I will get you a try.
Well, you don't have to do it right now.
No, I'm cooking right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will see that in 30 minutes. Believe it or not, I got the awesome roommate and sometimes they just come by and visit me. I loving it. So, while waiting for the water to boiling, I can actually clean this bean. So the easy way you can clean this bean, what that I learned from my mom, you remove the head, you remove the bottom, and then you crust it. And just like that, you remove the head, you remove the bottom, and you do that for 10,000 times. I'm almost done. I am almost done. Done. Come on, faster. Almost done. Voila, look at that, I'm done. So when you start to see the small bubbling from the bottom, you start to put the heart inside the water. Wait, I am cooking but I forgot my chopstick. Hold on, let me grab my chopstick. What kind of Asian I am when I'm cooking without my master chopstick. So you basically not try to boiling this. You can turn up the temperature now. You basically don't try to boiling this. You just want to remove all the blood and the dirty out. I would like to recommend you to cut the tap so all the blood, look at that, all the blood inside, when they see the warm temperature, they can coming out. Look at that, this one is a big one. Big heart. Big boy. So that's good. But I will make that smell delicious. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Now I want to remove the heart out. It smells good. It smells fresh now. Yeah, it smells very fresh. Alright. The key when you cutting this is try to not cut too thin. Try to cut a little bit bigger. So when you cook it, you're not overcooking that. You still feel the juicy out of the heart. For me, I think it's something like this is the best. I will cut something the same side like that. Looking good. If you see any leftover the plus line like this, try to remove that out because that will make your dish smell way better. Look at that, I can see somebody here. They stuck into the vent. For now, it's about seasoning. I put some 5-star, a little bit, some pepper. I'm a spicy guy. I love some pepper. Yeah, that may be good. I just moved into the new house, so I didn't have the pepper crust. I don't know where I put that, so I have to crush this by hand. Not too bad. Can do that. Look at that. Crush this. Look at that. Too much? Doesn't hurt. To season in this, I will add like a teaspoon of sauce. Don't worry if you over seasoning this, because when you over seasoning this, your green bean will balance that out. I will add some fish sauce, of course. Why not? Some fish sauce, maybe a tablespoon. I would like seasoning. Why not? I got this one from Florida trip. You know, cooking is fun because you can put whatever you want and it's maybe come out good. Some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, maybe a teaspoon to make a good color balance. And that is pretty much it. I will add in one oil to lubricate, to combine everything together easy. And maybe you have to wait for 15 minutes, you know, get all the seasoning, right? But you're not seasoning just like this, right? Of course you got to add some garlic and onion to make them smell amazing. I like to add some onion as well. Some onion. Every time I open the onion, I want to be quiet. If anybody know how to do to open the onion without crying, let me know. After the seasoning together, I like the horse sit on the side for 15 minutes so all the flavor can combine together. So waiting for that, I am chopping some green onion and cilantro for the topping later. Now it is the time for the magic. It's my favorite time. It's the cooking time. First, 1 tablespoon of oil. A little bit onion, a little bit garlic. Oh, look at that! It's already smell good. Smell that? And you put your seasoning horse together. So I am stirring crazy. My neighbor knocked my door and checking to see the food is ready for him. Almost ready. Give me a second. This new oven is slow.
I'm hungry.
It's almost there.
Smells good.
Oh, thank you.
Smells delicious.
Thank you.
All right.
When the meat about medium rare, now the time to add the green bean and then shake this crazy for all the love combined together. I kind of like this already, but you know what I like? I would like to add some more oyster sauce. Adding another table of the oyster sauce. Now it's the time for you to stir crazy. Give up all the energy you can have and combine all this flavor together. This time almost ready. Melty richness. Oh my god, look at that smell. Oh yeah, baby. I hope my roommate like it. So at this point, if you want more salty, add some more salt. You want more sweetness, put some sugar. Oh, this one will be so good with rice. Too bad I don't have any rice, so I should eat it like that. One is a main key to make this amazing dish. Not about seasoning, it's about to not overcook the heart. So, perfect. No, I'm not going to cook anymore. Keep stirring, because they're still cooking right now. Oh, yeah. It does look amazing. Oh my god. I bet you $5 if you know what kind of meat is that. Oh my god, take a look. It looks so much welcome to eat right now. But first I want to share that with my roommate. I go to bring this to my roommate and see they like it or not, you know. Let's go. Door was cold. So I need to close the door. Hold on, let me close the door. Time to find out the truth. Nothing is better than ask the real people and see they like it or not. Hello, food deliver. I hope you guys like it.
Come on.
That might be my first sauce. Here's for you.
Oh my gosh. Babe, look.
Hey, you need me to go on record about this, sir?
Oh wow. Try it.
Yeah.
I'm not fancy like you guys. Alright. So they did, just like you know. Sorry for the delay.
He says.
Look at this, they're beautiful now. Ooh. They're pretty nice roommate. They cook me all the time. This is my first time to cook for them, and it's something wild.
You don't ever season
Right.
No, but if you go.
People don't season Gordon Ramsay's food.
No, go ahead. Yeah, it's a heart right there. You got my heart.
It smells so good.
You like it?
Yeah, I can already.
No.
I'm in love with it.
You want more? I have more for you guys.
The green beans are crispy. I can already tell when I.
Yeah, that's how I like my green bean, but a lot of people like the more green bean.
The heart is very tender.
Ginger?
Yeah.
Very tender.
Yeah.
Very tender. And that's not something you acquire right away. Has to be cooked. The heart is very tough. This is very tender.
That's a main key. That's a main key of the cooking the heart. You don't want to overcooking this. Yeah.
That'll be right.
All right. I'm glad you enjoyed that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You want to say something?
No, it's delicious. I don't know. I want to eat.
Go ahead. Just we need to do this. Chloe. Guess what? My roommates, they love it. It's a good thing. You know, you cook something and people love it. That's a good sign. It's really cold outside, believe it or not. Super cold. Now it smells like a good food in here. I live with a lot of people, so it's fun, right? Oof. So now it's my time to eat it. Time to find out the two. It's super tender. Perfect. The bean, I like this crunchy. Pretty good. I like it. Grab as much as you need, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. All
Send me
right.
some. That's all. That's good. I like people enjoy that.
This is, man, this is delicious.
Yeah.
Delicious is awesome.
I'm glad you can like it. You know
Yeah.
what? I can cook so hot like that, right?
Look, very
And
tender,
put on
very
taco
delicious.
too. And put a taco too. You know that?
Yeah.
That's what the key.
We do a lot in Mexican heritage. We do a lot
Yeah.
of cow.
Yes.
Cow face, cow tongue.
Yeah, that's
Cow tongue, cow heart.
that's why I'm about to name my channel is Cook and Eat Everything.
Everything.
Everything. I want to introduce people to
Yeah.
the different
It's
story.
very delicious, very good. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm glad
Awesome.
you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Next
All
time,
right.
brother.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Good night.
All right. Good night.
Feeling good. Feeling pretty good. Cooking something crazy, wild, and the people enjoyed it. All right. I see you next dish. Hopefully, I can come up with some recipe. Bye.